Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically delete all of your photos on your iPhone. So there are a few ways to do this. You can either press select and select this one by one. Like, you can open up an image here and press delete on that. So select delete from library. Obviously this is not all my photos, but I'm just going to show it to you guys on this one because I don't really want to reveal all of my photos. But anyways, besides the point, so you can either select it one by one, but if you want to really delete all of it, just press select and you're going to drag your point finger or whatever finger you use to scroll on your phone or whatever. You're just going to drag your point finger and then you're going to press delete and then just select delete. Those are the two ways you can remove it without any other apps. There are some apps that you can use to remove, I guess, a lot of your photos. You can remove it from your, you can connect it to your PC to remove all of it if you have a lot, because this isn't that much compared to the pictures that are on my main gallery. So I know it's gonna take a long time to delete all of your photos, but why would you delete all of your photos at once? I mean, sometimes I just delete some if it's too, I don't know, much. But yes, that is it for this video. That is how you can delete your photos from your iPhone. That's how you can delete all of it. So here again, you can just press on it and select delete from library, or you can press select and you can just run your finger from the top to the bottom to really delete everything, and then again press the trash button and press delete. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any more ideas on how you can easily remove, I guess, photos from your album instantly, you can comment it in the comment section down below. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Please click the thanks button as well if you found this video helpful, and if you didn't, you can also again leave it in the comment section down below. Alright, but that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.